What should we keep in mind when we're preparing for the game and pre-gaming?
Well, so I think a couple good key tips are, one, to plan a menu, right?
Okay.
I think it sounds obvious and it's an understatement, but in the sense that you need to know what it is that you're going to have here for your tailgate, your party, pre-game, and then also kind of keep things to a norm in the sense like if it's your day to exercise, go exercise.
Okay.
If it's no skipping meals, just real key general topics of things to keep in mind when it's the party atmosphere of a football game, or any sport for that matter, and not go haywire at the time it is to celebrate with the food.
Right, which I think is usually what happens. You're
Correct.
saying today's a big day, not just in sports, but for my eating agenda, and that's not the case.
Right, and I think again it comes back to what I just said. If we're thinking that you can skip the meal and then you can add in all the rest later on, it doesn't really work that way. And I think it's important really to have a game plan, pun intended, for what it is that you're eating and kind of have the awareness, because a lot of times too what ends up happening is we're just not as mindful, and things, again, we snack and we do these tendencies that are normal as we're humans, but again, I think again it still comes back to having that preset idea of what it is going in, how many meals, games can go long durations. It's all of those things playing into and having a game plan.
Okay, so if we are what we eat and food is medicine, where do we start?
I think the first place to start is really what we always talk about here at Baptist is the healthy plate, right? And looking at components of how my meals stack up. What does breakfast, lunch, and dinner look like? And overall having that healthy game of looking at where it's showing now our plate,
Right.
You're having half of the plate to be non-starchy vegetables. I know that may not go hand in hand with football, but I think it's important to lay the groundwork for looking at what it should look like so that now you have this intuitively in your mind of where you're gonna put and what you're going to put on your plate, right? There's so many different options, buffets and this and that. And again, I can't reiterate enough the duration of how long you'll be at the game. You have to know, are you having 2 meals? Will it be spaced out? How do all these things fit?
Right.
And so again, it's definitely an important part of looking at the segments of the plate so that you can stack it up to have a winning time at the game and thereafter and not feel bad either.